Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my journal junk box unboxing. I'm so excited about this because this is a new to me subscription box that I am so excited to share with you. If you're familiar with me and my channel, you know that I love subscription boxes. And this here is a journal, office supplies, stationery, monthly subscription, which when I saw it, I was blown away. I think it is so fun, so cute, even just the way it comes mailed to you. Like, this is how it was delivered to me in this awesome packaging. And so it's got some weight to it. It's big. Let's go ahead and see what's in this box. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. You know I'm going to be saving this box to use as a gift box because it is absolutely adorable. And so before I get into this, I don't want to forget to let you know that this is a monthly box. The plan starts at $22.99, which is a fantastic deal. I will have a discount code in the description down below. So if you're interested in signing up, make sure you use that code. But I also want to give a disclaimer that this is sent to me for free. This is not a sponsored video. You know, I just love to share my unboxings here on my YouTube channel. And so I cannot wait any longer. Let's see what's in here. And there's even a journal prompt with each month. And there's a different theme for each month. Oh, this is so fun. Here is a journal prompt for you. What actions can I take to move out of my comfort zone? I love that. Oh, I love journaling. I feel like I've been journaling my whole life. It is such a great outlet for me. Okay, let's see what is in here. Oh, this is so beautifully packaged. Start with this product on top here. This is so pretty. This is from the brand Bella and Bean Goddess Sugar Scrub. And look at this beautiful ombre color. Oh my gosh. Oh, I am so excited to use this. This looks so cute. I love this company already just based off the packaging. Okay, next up, I am pulling out something so adorable. I love this print. If anyone knows the Morning Toast, this is just so, how did they say it? Like, I don't know if they call this print like toasty. I don't know. If you're a toaster, you get it. But this is like just an adorable tote. Yeah, it's a lunch tote from the brand Every Day is a Party with Slant Collections. Oh my gosh, I love this as a lunch tote or just a tote in general. You can fit a lot in here. I was actually going to need to buy more of these thank you cards, and these are adorable. Oh, it's always great to have thank you cards on hand. And these are made from 100% repurposed cotton rag. Wow. So cute with the green envelope and their blank cards. Oh, I love these. Everything is so cohesive and on theme. Oh, and these pencils from the brand Blossom by Puka. There are a dozen pencils in here. Wow. What a great set. I think this is, oh my gosh, this is tape with adorable little cactus on here. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is the cutest tape I have ever seen. And then, what are these? Oh my gosh, are these like stickers? There are so many of these in here. Seriously, look at all these. I can't get over how much you get in this box. There are, I don't know, like 50, 100 stickers in here. All of these adorable like succulents, cactus. Oh my gosh. I am just going to be putting stickers on everything now. These are so cute. Ooh, this is so nice. Keep going, keep growing, heartfelt notepad. Ooh, this is like amazing quality. Just like a lined notepad. I feel like I always need one of these. That is awesome. And then at the bottom of the box here, we have a journal. So perfect. And of course, so on theme. This is adorable. Oh, a fresh new journal. Oh, it's so inspiring. Wow. Oh my gosh. And guess what? There's even more in here. These adorable little cactus paper clips, like the charms on them. How special. I am blown away by everything in this box. Everything is so adorable. It makes me so happy. I feel so inspired. I actually just started going back into the office with my day job, and I'm so excited to bring these into my office and make a cute work setup. And just to think that you could get a themed, adorable box with all of these like journaling, stationery type products every month. That is just amazing, especially for going back into the office and working. It's just going to make it more fun. So my first experience with this has blown me away. I love this. Oh, I really want to continue getting it because this is seriously all such adorable and useful products. Let me do a quick recap because there is a lot in here. So we've got the Goddess Sugar Scrub, the charm paper clips, the journal, the cactus tape. I can't get over that. All of these adorable stickers, thank you notes. Oh, I'm so excited to see those. Pencils, a notepad, and this lunch tote. Oh my gosh, such amazing value. I feel like I got so many products. Wait, good thing I just did a double check. There's another thing in here that I forgot to show. This pen. Oh, I love a pen. And this is, of course, I keep saying this over and over, but adorable because it is. And this is a great pen, great quality. It's big, it has some weight to it. I'm so excited. This is definitely going into the office with me. I'm so happy right now. I feel so lucky to have gotten all these products, and I just really want everyone else to be able to experience the joy that I'm having right now. So if you do get this subscription box, I would love to hear what are some of your favorite products that you've gotten in the comments down below. But thank you so much for watching this video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.